Saudia 126, left heading 010, clear Dallas, semi approach, runway 34 left.
010 clear for the approach, 34 left, Saudia 126.
Heading 010, clear for the approach. Auto speed brake. Localizer glass slope, armed.
1000 to go.
Checked. Vertical speed. Vertical speed minus 700. 500. Localizer.
Saudia 126 establish localizer.
Tower 18-5 مع السلامة.
شكرا لك مع السلامة. Tower Saudia 126 10 mile final runway 34 left.
Saudia 126 for control, سلام الله عليكم حبيبي. Continue approach runway 34 left.
Continue approach Saudia 126.
Continue approach.
Yeah. Airplane on the runway, still the runway occupied.
Check. Check.
Altitude.
Alt. Glide slope, miss approach 4000.
Checked.
Set. Altitude check.
Passing hooded 2300. Warning altitude check. Radio altimeter alive.
Gear down. Flaps 20. Flaps 30. Land 3. Roll out, flare. Landing check.
Checklist complete.
Saudia 126 on count 34 left to 89.
Clear to land Saudia 126.
Clear to land.
Stabilize.
Autopilot coming off.
One for 7 Syncrat 750.
Check. Higher to go.
Cruise.
Minimum.
Continue.
Inshallah.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20, 10.
Speed break up, reverse normal. Okay, have control.
You have controls. $60 knots.
Saudia 126, Alhamdulillah, Salama 1216.
الله يسلمك 121.6 Saudia 126.